Hi friends, welcome to J Cooks. Today we're going to be making homemade kumkum. So let's get started. So to start off with, you're going to need some turmeric or haldi and baking soda. Don't add it all together, you're going to add in little by little. Once you've given that a good mix, you're going to add in small increments of lime juice and mix really well. You want to add lime juice until you've reached a paste-like consistency with your mix. After you've mixed all the ingredients, you should get a consistency that is very similar to this. It is very thick and very paste-like, and it is very moist. Once the paste is ready, you want to leave it out in the sun for about 30 minutes, not any longer, otherwise you are risking some of the color payoff. And then after that, you want to let it dry in the shade for a whole day. Afterwards, you are going to get something similar to this. Make sure you mix every now and then as to avoid a solid mixture. You want to keep it nice and powdery. Although you will get some small chunks in it, it is better to get the small chunks rather than a big chunk. Once the kumkum is done drying, it'll look something similar to this. At the end, you want to sift out the big chunks and have an overall smooth kumkum. And there it is, your kumkum is now done. Thank you so much for watching.